Happiness and freedom began with a clear understanding of one principle. Some things are within our control, and some things are not. Don't seek for everything to happen as you wish it would, but rather wish that everything happens as it actually will, then your life will flow well. Wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants. If you want to improve, be content to be thought foolish and stupid. No one is ever unhappy because of someone else. He is a wise man who does not grieve for the things which he has not, but rejoices for those which he has. The key is to keep company only with people who uplift you, whose presence calls forth your best. First say to yourself what you would be, and then do what you have to do. It is not because things are difficult that we do not dare. It is because we do not dare that they are difficult. It is not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Make the best use of what is in your power, and take the rest as it happens. Freedom is the only worthy goal in life. It is won by disregarding things that lie beyond our control. If you want to be a writer, write. If you want to be a philosopher, philosophize. If you want to be free, practice freedom. The greater the difficulty, the more glory in surmounting it. Skillful pilots gain their reputation from storms and tempests. Difficulties show a person's character, so when a challenge comes, don't complain. Be thankful for it. It is an opportunity to grow. If you seek truth, you will not seek victory by dishonorable means, and if you find truth, you will become invincible. The only worthy goal in life, it is won by disregarding things that lie beyond our control. No great thing is created suddenly any more than a bunch of grapes or a fig. If you tell me that you desire a fig, I answer that there must be time. The key is to keep company only with people who uplift you, whose presence calls forth your best. The key is to live in harmony with nature, to accept what you cannot change, and to work diligently on what is within your power to change. Don't let the force of an impression when it first hits you knock you off your feet. Just say to it. Wealth consists in not having great possessions, but in having few wants. Life is short. Don't waste it by living someone else's life, or by being trapped in the past or the future. Live in the present moment. He is a wise man who does not grieve for the things which he has not, but rejoices for those which he has. When you are offended at any man's fault, turn to yourself and study your own failings. Then you will forget your anger Don't let the opinions of others define your sense of self-worth. Remember, it's not what others think of you. Freedom is the only worthy goal in life. It is won by disregarding things that lie beyond our control. The essence of philosophy is that a man should so live that his happiness shall depend as little as possible on external things. If you wish to be a writer, write. You become what you give your attention to.